Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, upholstery, or carpentry, this list has something for everyone. You can find product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the new Master Pneumatic Brad Nailer. This 2-in-1 nail gun is an excellent entry point into pneumatic tools, offering a balance of versatility and durability. It can fire 18-gauge brad nails up to 2 inches and crown staples up to 1 5/8 inches, making it suitable for tasks ranging from woodworking to upholstery installation. The inclusion of a carrying case, safety glasses, and fasteners adds incredible value to the package. The design is user-friendly, with a 360-degree rotatable exhaust to keep debris away, a rubber grip handle for comfort, and a tool-free jam release system for efficient operation. However, keep in mind that this nailer requires an air compressor, which is not included, adding to the potential upfront cost. The build quality is solid, and the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. But at 5.39 pounds, it may feel a bit heavier compared to other options on this list. Performance-wise, the new Master delivers consistent results when paired with an air compressor operating between 70 to 120 psi. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, but it's not the most portable option due to the pneumatic requirement. On the plus side, the price point of $39.99 makes it an affordable way to get into pneumatic tools. If portability isn't your top concern, this is a reliable pick. At number 4, we have the Bielmeier electric staple gun, an ultra-budget-friendly option for those who need a lightweight and versatile stapler for home projects. This cordless 2-in-1 tool can fire 9/16-inch brad nails and T50 staples ranging from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inches, making it ideal for materials like fabric, foam, and softwood. With its compact design weighing just 1.6 pounds, it's perfect for extended use without fatigue, and you won't have to worry about compressors or hoses thanks to its fully cordless design. One standout feature is its USB Type-C charging port, which powers the 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. A 2-hour charge provides enough juice to consistently fire up to 850 staples in a single session, making it efficient for light-duty tasks around the house. The Bielmeier also includes 3 safety switches for added protection, ensuring it won't accidentally fire nails during charging or idle periods. However, this nail gun is not designed for heavy-duty carpentry or professional-grade use, which limits its appeal for larger projects. Priced at just $28.47, the Bielmeier electric staple gun is unbeatable in affordability. While it's not the most powerful option, it gets the job done for small-scale DIY projects and repairs. If you're new to nail guns or need something simple for occasional use, this budget pick is hard to beat. Coming in at number 3 is the Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer. This cordless nail gun is perfect for professionals and DIYers looking for a powerful tool that doesn't rely on compressors or gas cartridges. Its motor drives up to 420 nails per charge, offering consistent firing power across various materials and climate conditions. The lightweight design and optimal center of gravity ensure comfort during extended use, and its tool-free jam settings make troubleshooting effortless. Design-wise, the Craftsman nails portability and ease of use. It includes a belt hook for convenience and weighs 6.8 pounds, which is slightly heavier than some competitors, but still manageable. One downside is that the battery and charger are sold separately, so you'll need to factor that into the overall cost. Its robust build quality means it can handle frequent use without wear and tear, though its price point of $99 puts it firmly in the premium tier. Overall, the Craftsman V20 Brad Nailer is an excellent choice for those who prioritize reliability and versatility. It's great for trim work, furniture building, and other finish applications. While the upfront investment is higher, its performance and durability make it worth every penny for serious users. Our runner-up for this list is the Bielmeier 20V Nail Gun Battery Powered. This upgraded cordless brad nailer features impact drive technology for precise control and efficiency. It supports 18-gauge brad nails up to 1¼ inches and crown staples up to 1 inch, making it versatile enough for upholstery, carpentry, and trim work. The inclusion of a 2.0 amp lithium-ion battery means you're ready to go right out of the box, with the ability to fire up to 1,800 nails on a full charge. The Biomeier nail gun weighs just 4.8 pounds, making it one of the lighter options in its category. It's ergonomically designed with a non-slip rubber handle for comfort and an LED light for visibility in tight or dark spaces. Safety is also a priority, with a striker pin mechanism that only fires nails when fully depressed against the work surface. While it's slightly less powerful than the top pick on this list, it delivers consistent results for medium-duty tasks. Priced at $89.99, the Biomeier 20V nail gun offers incredible value for the price. It's ideal for DIYers and hobbyists who want a reliable cordless nail gun without breaking the bank. Its portability and thoughtful design features make it a top contender for home improvement projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Braver 18-gauge brad nailer cordless and staple gun. This premium tool is designed for users who demand versatility and power. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, this nail gun offers flexibility for those who already own DeWalt tools. It drives 18-gauge brad nails up to 1¼ inches and crown staples up to 7/8 inches, making it perfect for woodworking, upholstery, and trim applications. The package includes 2,000 fasteners, so you're ready to tackle projects immediately. The Braver nailer features a self-locking switch near the trigger to prevent accidental firing, enhancing safety during use. Its ergonomic design includes a durable casing and comfortable handle, making extended sessions much more manageable. While the battery is not included, this allows users to pair it with their preferred DeWalt battery for optimal performance. At 6.71 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other cordless models, but the added weight contributes to its robust build quality. Priced at $99.99, the Braver nail gun is the ultimate tool for professionals and serious DIYers. Its compatibility with DeWalt batteries adds convenience, while its powerful motor ensures consistent results across a range of tasks. If you're ready to invest in a premium nail gun, this one takes the crown for its versatility, reliability, and thoughtful design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy DIYing.